Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. I wanted to run through some of the parts I just got for the MT10, and I'm going to fit this part. And I got a new one of these, and for the right hand side as well, and I got these two, I don't actually know what they're called, like a push pin, and that push pin's actually for here, and I was kind of hoping that it would fit on these, but it doesn't actually close all the way. So I think I'm just going to put this on, and then I'll order two with the push pins. They're only like 80 cents. I'll order them soon, and I'll get them. Also, I have my new little reg on the tail tidy, and I actually have it on with double-sided Velcro, and I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I might put another strip on, but I'm pretty happy with the positioning. See, I'm going to take this off now, because like you can see that that's actually the under tray, and there's nothing I can really do about that. I'm going to tidy this up a little bit. I'll get a file and all, but you know, I'm not going to replace the whole underside, but it's going to fix this, and I might go on and order some bolts as well. But yeah, I'm going to go take this off. And I just want to show you as well, I got an exhaust gasket because I'm going to replace the exhaust because it's fucked. This is my new headlight stay, which should fix this part here. I think I got the right part, that should be that. And then this is the front intake cover as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Got to take the seat off. And then there's only two Phillips screws, and it's an Allen key as well, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see what else I can do and possibly break. So I was wrong, you can't actually use the push pins. One thing I did actually notice that this one is broke, so I'm going to have to run out and get super glue. I don't actually have any, and I'll fix it. But yeah, that's in. Those push pins worked. How I actually got them to work is that I pushed them in until they were in that position, and then I got the screwdriver and I pushed the little nipple in, and that seemed to like stretch this enough that it clipped down. So yeah, happy days. Like if you look at the old one when it's off the bike, like it's in absolute bits. It's no use to anyone. I'm not trying to clean up and just give it away if someone has it, you know, for like a track bike or something. But yeah, I'll go and get that on the bike now, and I might look at the front, at the headlight maybe, or no, maybe the dash, right. Yep, I'm gonna put this on the bike. It looks so nice. Hides all the little crimes underneath there. You can see it there. Obviously you can see when you get up close to it, but it's a lot nicer now that it's actually covered. It's very fiddly getting that on, but that's on. So now I'm going to think of what I want to do next. I have all these parts here. Headlight stay. The only reason I don't really want to do the headlight stay yet is because I think I'm going to need to take, or I keep saying headlight stay, the dash stay, because I think if I take off that, I may as well do the headlights. And the headlights are there, but it's a big job. It's not like an hour job, it's probably like 3 or 4 hour job. Yeah, I'm going to figure out what I want to do next, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so I've just taken the old stay off, and you can see just how broke it is compared to the brand spanky new one. So I've just been moving the hardware over, like these bits here, and now I'm taking out these little rubber mounts here. I don't think these are really designed to be pulled out, but because they are a bit of a bitch, but I'm getting there. I need to actually order this bottom stay. You can see this side's actually broke off. I just had a look and it's €50. So I might see if this fits any other models, because from the look of it, it looks like this will fit like an MT09, and it might be cheaper. But yeah, that's just annoying. So I'm going to ask my mechanic if he can still get stuff in, because like these parts here, they did actually take a while to come in. Like I do have a few, but they took about 2 weeks. So normally my mechanic can get stuff in about 2 days, because they're obviously ordering from a different place. So I'm going to ask and see if they're open so I can get that. Thankfully it's only like a 2-minute job taking these off. These all actually like clip in here, and this clips in two, and then it's 2 bolts, 2 on the side, and Dunsky. So I'm going to swap over the hardware, and I'm going to put the front back on, and I'm just going to take off the front headlight. I'm going to take off the headlight cover and just have a look around there and see what that's like. And yeah, I'll get back to you then. This isn't really like a step-by-step, it's just a process of me taking on stuff and updating you. And it's very loud and busy outside as well, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get that done, get these swapped over, and yeah, I'll get back to you. So that's this part on the stay. So what I actually had to do is I had to order there's an inner stay, this one here. Holds it on like this. Fucking dog. Hold it on down here. So this is broken, so I'm ordering one of them. With the bolt. What that noise is? What is this? A bit of metal. So what I'm gonna do is actually have a new one of these. I'm gonna put this on because that's just in absolute shit. This is getting repaired, and I'm gonna try take the headlight off just to see what it's like. That's pretty much it then for the video. Yeah, so that's all those parts on, which is nice. I'm happy that it's a good few parts. It's just annoying now that the whole front's gonna have to come off again. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna try take the headlight cover off, just have a quick look at it. I do have, I'll show you here actually. I have new headlights here. You can kind of see them there. Should have really taken them out. But yeah, I have, oh my god, it's on a rocking chair, and hence why it's rocking. And I have, what's in that box? That is the carbon panels, and then that from the sports bike shop, that is the orangey crash protectors. And then, so that's the front cone, which I'm going to put on now. I said new exhaust gasket as well for the new exhaust when I get it. And then these are just little weathering strips. Or no, not weathering, they're little strips anyway, that I think it's just like a foam, stop vibrations. Because I could probably take them off the left hand side, but the right hand side has none. So I might actually take off the side panels as well. That could be something else to do. I might take them off and go from there and see what they're like. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead now and just take the headlight cover off just to see what it's like. Because when I go to put the headlights on, it's gonna be a bit of a bitch of a job. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and yeah, then I'm gonna update you on the rest of it. Just little bits now, nothing major left, just little tiny bits, thankfully. Look how much better that looks like. Look how bad that was right to now, and it's actually holding everything in, which is amazing. So I can't figure out how to get this off, and I'm pretty sure I need to take all this off again. So I think I'm going to leave it until tomorrow, just so I can have, because like, you can actually see how bad that is. Fucking hell. That's so bad. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to do the side panels, see what way they go on. Yeah, I'm going to go do that. I'm going to do the headers later as well during the week. Can't wait to get all this fixed. Like, that's just so bad, and then that's getting replaced anyway. And then new exhaust and cover, I'll get that as well. So yeah, let's go and do the panel. Okay, so I actually have the bike in the shed now. Got the panels off, got the carbon fiber stuff on. I ended up having to break the clip points, the clips, had to break them off, and the tape is for, I have double-sided Velcro, like super strong stuff on each kind of major point, and the same on that side. So yeah, I personally wouldn't get them again, because that wasn't worth the money. But they're on, they shouldn't move, they should stay perfectly fine. So that was the headlight stay on, side panels, and the rear. I must have been about 2 hours putting them on, and I even had got a Dremel out and done all the bits to it. So next time I'm going to do the headlight, I'm going to try take this off, and then I have a new stay coming. It's like I don't know, it's one of those stupid little bits. It's a successful day, stuff is on. I'm really not happy with the carbon, but sure, look, it is what it is. Even like this doesn't fit, you can see that it doesn't fit great. So look guys, it's a video, hope you enjoyed. The beast is starting to look great again. But look guys, it's a video, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.